Here's how I created this stripy picture frame. I recently decorated my master bedroom in pinks and red. I need a cool frame for some artwork that doesn't break the bank. I recently saw these that I really liked and thought I'd give it a go myself. So I started by grabbing an old white frame and leaning it on 2 paint cans that will mean I can paint right to the bottom edge. I then gave the frame a coat of primer and let it dry. I then added 2 coats of my lighter colour, in this case a paint called Joyful Pink by Yes Colours. Now this next bit was the trickiest part, which was trying to work out all the measurements, and as you can see, my boyfriend had to help me and we did it on the back of an envelope. I then used a measuring tape and a pen to mark little lines both on the outside and the inside of the frame so I know where to lay my masking tape. Using the lines I'd drawn as a guide, I then put the tape all the way around the frame, pushing it into the grooves to make sure there'll be no paint bleed. Top tip for you, paint over the edges of the tape with your first colour as it really helps to give you crisp lines. I then added 2 coats of this electric red paint by Yes Colours, so much fun. Then it was time for the scary bit, which is peeling the tape off. Now with a job like this, you always have the need for a few touch-ups. I had loads to do, so don't worry about it if it happens to you. I added 1 coat of clear varnish for durability and we're done. I absolutely love the finished look and can't wait to show you how it looks in my new bedroom. See you next time. Bye babes!